All right, we're back. So one of the things that one person was telling me is that you don't let the beans cook all the way through. Like these are mushy. This bean here. See the oop, it dropped. Ooh, these are small beans. So the bean is mushy, but when I taste it, it still needs to cook. Well, that can finish cooking in the rice. So now I'm gonna put the rice in there, put the ginger in there. She said to make sure when you're putting it in there that you put enough water. She said like 2 inches above the rice is what she said as it's cooking. So we're gonna put the rice right in there. This is quite a bit of rice. Actually, it's probably gonna fill this whole pot up because it's 2 cups of rice. So I'm definitely gonna have to put more water in here. And I'm gonna put the whole top on there so this rice can cook. So I have to probably be adding water. I'm gonna put, so I did put the rice. It's all mixed up in there. I'm gonna pour, I thought my can opener, yep, I got this cool can opener from Pamper Chef. I'm gonna pour this in there. It's the brand I got. It's unsweetened. Yeah, I don't know. We'll put it in there. I might put my other cup in there too. They usually only put one can in there, but some of them do their milk from scratch. So we'll see how that turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and put some ginger in here. I'm gonna use the garlic press for the ginger. She used a grater. If it squeezes through, I'll just see. Well, I'll just test it out to see if it will. It may or it may not. This ginger seems a little bit dry. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna cut it up. She said you don't want to have pieces of ginger, but I didn't have anybody else complaining about the pieces of ginger that they had in there, and they had it pretty smooth there. You just want that flavor in there. I may add a little bit more garlic. So I did put the ginger in there. I got this big old piece of garlic. I'm gonna put this garlic clove right here. I fell a couple of times. I'm gonna rinse it off, but it's gonna take the skin right off of there. Then we're gonna cover it up and let it cook. Make sure it's enough in there. My little handy dandy tool. Right there. And I might have to add a little bit more seasoning, a little bit more allspice in there. But the rice is in there covered. I might just add some more coconut milk versus some more water. I'm going to try that out instead. This is my nifty can opener, or it doesn't cut. You just go like this, so you can put the lid back on if you want. I love this. Now, since Pamper Chef did that, a lot of people have copied it, so you can still get it from somewhere else. But I still like Pamper Chef, so. And then you can pick it up with the side right there. See? Now, this is unsweetened coconut milk. This is kind of thick. This is unsweetened coconut milk. Why is it thick? It don't even run in there. Now, this look like cream. I probably don't want all that in there. Probably supposed to mix it. I don't know, shake it up or something. Oh, it's got coconut in it. Well, we'll see if it was a mistake or not. We'll find out. Let's find out together if that was a mistake. You're going to put the top on there, turn the fire down, and let it cook, cook, cook. So you see it looks kind of milky. Miss Davis may have made a mistake, maybe not. We'll find out. I'm going to put some more thyme in there though. Like she had in her rice when she put it in, she put thyme. She put her thyme in and then I'm just going to put more thyme. Time won't give me time. Time makes the lover feel like they got something real. You and me, you know we have nothing but time. That's Boy George from back in the day. Not sure what he up to lately, but all right. Talk to you later.